Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-36D, the boiler whistle valve spring nut for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's get into it. So click on the home, set advanced, part MMGS. Alright, so let's go to top view, sketch. We want hexagon or polygon. That's going to be 15. So 15. That's going to be height of, so extrude, that's going to be height of 13.5 minus 5.5. 5.5, not 5 divided by 5. There we go. Which is 8. Excellent. Okay, that's good. So that's done. Beautiful. Yep. Now we want on this part here on the top there, sketch. Can normal too if you want to. But it's going to be a circle. That's going to be 12. 12. And that's going to be feature extrude. That's going to be 5.5. Yep. And done. Now back on this face here. Normal, not normal 2. You can if you want to, but sketch. It's going to be another circle. Circle, thank you. That's going to be a diameter of 8. 8. And that's going to be feature extrude cut of a level of 13.5. No, sorry, 11. Sorry, not 13.5. That's the depth of it. Going to be depth, color of 11. Sorry, my mistake. There you go, see it doesn't go through. Now we want a thread. On the outside. So we go to hole wizard, thread. We want 12. Where are we? 12, 1.2, 1.5. Start from the bottom. Click on that one. Go next. That's going to be extrude. Trim and trim. Now I should have got it right this time. I did. Excellent. There you go. That's that piece done. That's part 3-36D. The boiler whistle valve spring nut done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Thank you everyone that has. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.